ano yung mga things na pinaggagastusan mo ng perang pinaghihirapan mo sa showbiz?
Of course, since we transferred our home, medyo I'm handling the rent of the house. I'm paying for my car still kasi naka-loan siya sa bank. Of course, yung a few bills sa house. And then, not so much. I still have a lot goes to my savings talaga. Kasi ako, income less savings equals expenses. So I don't do income less expenses equals savings. Kasi paano kung masyadong malaki yung gastos, di wala nang natira. It's really important to handle your finances carefully, especially sa showbiz. Kasi I'm not saying naman na I'm just being realistic. Medyo overflowing yung cash flow na pumapasok. So you must know how to handle it well. Kasi minsan maganda yung bigay, minsan wala. Minsan, kasi ang artista naman is just, yung trabaho namin is seasonal eh.